Hi, I'm good. Thanks for asking. What about you? You have written in there, right? You were busy. Mhm. Yeah, you messaged me. I saw your message, right? I think, are you working in different country? Okay. Are you from South part? Okay, then have we talked each other before? Or is it okay? Is it our first meeting, right? Why are you asking? Uh-huh. Right, right. Because I never put any kind of that kind of conversation. If I feel it's okay, then I upload it in there. Yeah, right, right, right. I have, yeah, but these day I don't talk with maximum people. I have talked before, but I have 70 or 80 videos. Then I uploaded daily. I upload daily. Yeah. Yeah, I upload in there because I have a 70 or 80 video I have on it. Means on listed video I have. Yeah. Then I upload daily. But this day I don't talk with anyone that kind of. Nothing. I have so many video. Then I upload daily that kind of. Yeah. Yeah. Then okay, you tell me which state do you belong to? I think so. You are from northern part or north means I mean to Bihar, Gujarat. Okay, which state do you belong to? Okay, then I think Bihar, Jharkhand, then which Punjab. Okay, then tell me. Okay, leave it. If you don't want to tell me, it's mm-hmm. Pardon? Pardon? Okay, then I think so. Chhattisgarh, Haryana, Haryana, Haryana means अच्छा कौन सा स्टेट है? ओके, एपी. ओके, then which? Okay, then tell me why you keep. Okay, you are from Delhi. Okay, Okay, then you born and raised in Delhi or are you? Uh-huh. Okay, and right now are you working also in Delhi, right? Uh, okay, then nearby means that I Gurugaon. Okay, that is a IT hub, right? Maximum people work in there. Yeah. Then how long have you been working in there? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, you are working in IT department, then work from home, right? Hybrid work. You people tell hybrid work, right? Mm-hmm. Right, right. After COVID, right? And employees also they want to work from home, right? They don't want to go to office. They don't prefer go to office, right? That is also good. Mm-hmm. That is also good, right? Yeah, but because if you go to Delhi, then that is also good because we interact with all colleagues, right? And we solve the problem inside the office. But work from home also is better because you can work without tension, right? Freely you can work at home. I think I think are you taking dinner, right? Okay. Then are you taking sweet? Okay. After dinner also you can take any kind of biscuit or something, right? Okay. Do you feel hungry or what else? Right, right. Sometime you take that kind of snack, right? Okay. Then right now you sorry, could you repeat? Okay. Right, right. Because you open that biscuit packet and you want to finish that packet, right? That's why unnecessary do you want to take it, right? Right, right. Yeah, that kind of we can do it, right? Sometime while talking with people, then they take it any kind of food, or, right? Right. Because before, if you take dinner early, then definitely you feel hungry before sleeping, right? Then we people take light, yeah, sometimes we take light food like a biscuit, any salad, any type of, right? Gajars, yeah, that is a better. Yeah, right, you are right. I speak in Hindi, right? Right, right. Green salad is a better for health, right? Then people they want to take any time. That is not a fixed time to take it. Mhm. Then right now you are at home or you are in workplace? Mm-hmm. Right, right. I thought that because sometime I send this kind of means I send you message, right? Or I called you, I think so. I called you, right? Or I right, right. May I call you? I have written in there. Mm-hmm. Because I never talk. I never. Right. That's why I have written in there. I never talked with you. That's why I have written there. I wanted to take permission from you. When sometime we should take permission from other people, right? Because I don't. Mm, right. Yeah. Then what time do you go to your bed? What time do you go your bed? Mm-hmm. Right, right. That is a maximum time I prefer go to 10:30 to 11 during this period. Yeah. Sometime I go to bed 10:30. Sometime I go to bed 10:35, 10:40. Means you can say during 11 that time I go to bed. Means the maximum I want to prefer to go to bed to 10:30. Try to 10:30, but sometime I go to bed in 40, 10:35, that kind of. Means yeah, 5 minutes इधर उधर हो जाता है. Right, right. But early bed. Hmm. Early, because that is a good for health. If we go to early bed in the morning, then it is a better, right? Because we feel, yeah, right, right. But if you go to bed late, then we cannot sleep properly, right? Right, because we try to sleep, but we cannot miss sleep. That is a if we fix a timing to go to bed, then that is a better, right? Okay, I think you are right. Pardon? You don't use regularly in this platform, right? Right, right. Because sometimes if you because I know if you come to then you like my post was so long, then I thought okay.